Hey everybody, my name is Lisa. I am the Director of Counseling here at StartBupe, and I am lucky enough to get to also make these bi-weekly videos for you. In today's video, we're going to talk about motivation. I'm going to get some help from somebody who's better at it than I am of breaking it all down and find out how we get it and what motivation does and how it can help us and all that. I'm actually going to be traveling when you receive this video, but if you call me next week, feel free to and give me some feedback on your thoughts. We actually watched this video in group and it was really helpful, and she kind of breaks it all down, draws little diagrams and stuff to help us understand how it works. So pay attention and call me if you need to, if you have any questions next week. There's a link. Peace from StartBupe.